Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 10 from the playlist of Assertion and Reasoning. The topic is the electrostatic force on a charged body in the presence of an electric field. And based on this topic, I have one question for this session. So in this session, there are two statements, that is statement 1 and the statement 2. So the statement 1 is that there is a metal ball which is suspended in a uniform electrical field. When a high energy X-ray beam falls on it, that is when the high energy X-ray beam falls on this metal ball, it is deflected in the direction of electrical field. So this is the statement number 1. And the second statement is that photoelectrons are emitted from the metal surface when X-ray beam falls on it. So there are four options here. The first option is that means we have to find the correct option out of these four. And the first option in this question is that the statement 1 and 2 are correct, and the statement number 2 is the correct explanation of the statement number 1. The second option is the statement number 1 and 2 are correct, but the statement number 2 is not the correct explanation of the statement number 1. And the third option is that the statement 1 is correct, but the statement 2 is incorrect. And the last option is that both 1 and 2 are incorrect. Now here in the statement number in the statement 1, there is a metal ball which is suspended in a uniform electrical field. Now when the high energy X-ray beam falls on it, it is deflected in the direction of electrical field. Now we know that when the X-ray beam, the high energy X-ray beam falls on a metal surface, then photoelectrons are emitted from the metal surface. So this statement is correct. That is, photoelectrons are emitted from the metal surface when X-ray beams fall on the metal surface. Now when the photoelectrons are emitted from the metal ball, then this metal ball will get positively charged. So when the metal ball will get positively charged, then this metal ball will experience an electrostatic force which is given by the formula, that is F is equal to Q into E, where E is the intensity of the electric field. Now this metal ball will experience this electrostatic force. Since this is a positively charged body, this has become a positively charged body, therefore this metal ball will experience the electrostatic force in the direction of electrical field, because a positively charged body always experiences the electrostatic force in the direction of electric field. So in this case, since the metal ball is experiencing the electrostatic force in the direction of the electrical field, therefore this metal ball will get deflected in the direction of electric field. So here the statement 1 is correct, the statement 2 is also correct, and the statement number 2 is the correct explanation of 1. So the correct option is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same chapter of electric charges and field. This was the question from the chapter of electric charges and field. So in the next session, that is in the session number 11, I will be taking up a different type of a question from the same chapter. And so till then, have a nice day. Bye.